Did eDNA studies solve the Loch Ness Monster mystery? Have you ever wondered if science could finally put an end to the mystery of the Loch Ness Monster? With the rise of environmental DNA studies, many hoped for answers. But did these studies really solve the riddle? Environmental DNA, or eDNA, is genetic material that organisms leave behind in their environment. This can include skin cells, mucus, or waste. Researchers can collect water samples from places like Loch Ness and analyze them to see what species are present. In 2018 and 2019, a team led by Professor Neil Gemmell took extensive water samples from Loch Ness. They aimed to catalog the biodiversity in the loch. Their findings were impressive, identifying around 3,000 species, including various fish and amphibians. One intriguing discovery was a large amount of eel DNA. This has led to some speculation that the famous monster sightings could be attributed to very large eels rather than an unknown creature. However, the eDNA study did not find any evidence of large unknown animals, like plesiosaurs, which are often linked to the Loch Ness Monster legend. It's important to note that the study also did not completely rule out the possibility of giant eels. eDNA sampling has its limitations, especially when it comes to extreme depths. Researchers need to sample multiple times to detect rare or elusive species. Some experts even suggest that sediment sampling from the loch bottom could provide more clues, as DNA might persist longer there. From a scientific standpoint, the eDNA studies have certainly clarified what species live in Loch Ness. However, they have not confirmed or dismissed the existence of a mysterious large creature. Instead, the focus has shifted toward understanding the ecosystem of the loch. When we look at urban legends and ancient myths, the eDNA research adds an interesting layer to the Loch Ness story. The discovery of abundant eel DNA supports alternative theories that the monster might be a giant eel or a misidentified known species. Meanwhile, the lack of evidence for a large unknown animal can fuel ideas about official skepticism or even conspiracy theories that suggest the truth is being hidden. In short, while eDNA studies have advanced our knowledge about the biodiversity of Loch Ness and challenged some monster theories, they have not definitively solved the Loch Ness Monster mystery. The legend continues to captivate our imaginations, blending scientific inquiry with folklore and speculation about hidden creatures lurking beneath the waters.